wood processing site.
Guys, we've just got a 100-ton wood order.
That's a lot. We should get to work right now. The first log is ready to be sent to the sawmill. Great, the first log chunk is sliced. Now the pusher will send it to the collection conveyor, and it will be sorted into the A-class for storage.
Wow!
Our wood processing line is truly number one.
How to build a wood processing line. Number 1. Wood feeding conveyor. Conveyor deck. Now I'll build the stand legs. Add the gear. Attach the stand legs to the conveyor deck. The conveyor belt. The clamp. Testing with tomato. Number 2. Wood sawmill machine. Testing with tomato. Number 3. Wood outfeed pusher. The wood processing line is done.
Alright, the next log is coming up. This log chunk is best for basic construction. Let's send it to B-class storage. Half the wood has been processed. Let's keep going.
Wow!
Looks like the B-class wood tray is full already, buddy.
Alright then, we'll get back to processing the A-class log chunks.
All the wood has been processed.
I'll go deliver them right now. What a joke. They said our log chunks are too big.
We need to make them smaller.
Whoa! The log chunks have been split in half.
That's not enough. Let's split them into quarters. The firewood is ready to go.
This time, they'll definitely go through.
Oh no, the forest is full of stumps.
You're under arrest for illegal deforestation.
Run quickly. You'll never catch us.
Drive-in theater.
Wow!
This movie booth looks amazing.
Wow, look at that Godzilla figure.
Everyone, please park your car. The movie will start in 5 minutes.
I'm too late. This spot's too far from the screen.
The projector is now running. Please stay seated and enjoy the show.
Wow, I'm so excited.
How to build the old movie projector. Number 1. Build the light unit. Add the flashlight. Number 2. Build the film holder. Number 3. Build the outer casing. The right wall. The left wall. Base plate. Number 4. Build the projection lens. Now the machine needs a camera lens here to project the image. I'll use the lens from this camera. Number 5. Build the reel sliders. Add the gear. The rear slider. Add the motor. I've already prepared the film strips for my movie. Now, let's wind them onto the front reel slider. Add the gear. Add the chain links. Testing. The projector is all set. It's projecting beautifully onto the screen. It runs perfectly. Swimming pool.
The screen is so huge.
And the sound is also super clear.
I can't see a thing from here.
Oh no, it's 9 p.m. Gotta go home.
What a chance. Let's grab his spot.
This spot is mine. Hell yeah, what a perfect view.
That jerk. I'll find another way.
What is that?
A cockroach.
Oh no, so many cockroaches.
That's so gross. I'm out of here. This drive-in theater is ruined. Let's run.
My plan worked perfectly. Now I can enjoy this movie alone.
The movie's over. Thank you for coming.
What? Are you kidding me?
Whoa!
Let's grab some treasures.
Oh my god, there's a popcorn claw machine.
Wow!
Yeah!
I'm going for the jackpot.
Cute and crunchy? Yes, please.
Huh?
Well, mystery it is.
How to build the claw machine. Step 1. Build the external control. Install the external control. Install the coin slot. Step 2. Build the turntable modules. Add the gears. Install the toggle. Install the turntable. Add the engine. Install the frame. Step 3. Build the rail system module. Install the runner. Install the rail system. Add the battery box. Step 4. Build the claw mechanism module.
Okay, deep breath. Steady now. All right, little gem, come on. No sudden moves. No, 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 no. It slipped like a dream. Oh no, I need gold.
All right, let's dance. Nice and gentle. Grab it. Yes, yes, come on. Hold it, hold it. Come on, come on. Let go. Freedom is right there. Why isn't it dropping? So, what's Mystery Boy up to?
Huh? No idea what these things are, but I'm feeling lucky. All right, show me your secrets. Grab it. Yeah, don't you dare drop it. Yes, that's one.
Wow!
What are you hiding in there? You better be worth all that drama. Let's hatch some magic. No way. Double score. This machine loves me. I could retire after this. Okay, this is just showing off now. Big prizes, here I come.
Yep, all 3 are prize grade. No worries, everyone gets a prize. No one goes home empty-handed.
Best claw day ever.
Mega Tower Car Wash Station. Please wash these 4 cars for me. They're completely covered in dirt.
Cars in position, lifting now.
They're up here. Oh no, we're out of water. Let's replace the tanks.
Now I'll prepare the wash solution. Cleaning liquid. Wash solution is done. Mega Tower Car Wash is ready. How to build the Mega Tower Car Wash. Number 1, the main station frame. I'll set up the main platform first. Then, I attach long ramps at the back of the station to reach the roof. Now place a roof platform onto it. Number 2, the lifting system. This lift is used to move the cars up and down. Number 3, the water spray system. I'll make the frame to hold the 2 water tanks first. Water tank. Air tank. This water spray system can rotate left and right. Brush wash section. Exit gate.
Perfect! Release the soapy water now!
Hell yeah! I'm back to life!
Look, the 2 cars below are still dirty.
Okay, move the lift and water tanks then!
Whoa! This wash is great!
Finally, no more sand.
The wash is complete! Please move on to the next step!
Ho!
Brush wash section is ready.
Your car is good to go now.
Whoa! Wow, they're shining now. Your service is great.
Please wash my car quick.
These stubborn stains are stuck all over the cars! But our equipment is gradually washing them away!
Whoa!
Thank you for choosing our car wash station.
Hi, Alex. Could you watch Lisa for a while?
Of course, no problem. Come on in. Lisa, I've set up some toys just for you.
Yay! Thanks, Uncle Alex. A ball pit. I'm going to jump in.
Got it. Now, here it comes back to you.
This is so much fun. Catch the ball, Uncle Alex.
Here you go, Lisa.
Uncle Alex, it's so hot in here.
Oh no, the air conditioner stopped. Let me fix this. Let's see.
What's this piece for?
All the parts we need to build a cool fan. That's part of the fan blade.
You're building so fast.
Almost done. This fan will keep us cool. Our Lego fan is ready.
How to build the ice cooler fan. Step 1. Build the cooling system. The gears. Add the motor. This fan blade seems to fit my ice cooler fan. Testing wind power with paper. It's too weak. I'll build a new fan blade. Now let's test it again. Step 2. Build the outer shell. Side panel. Back panel. Front panel. Roof panel. Control knob. Now, I'll add the dry ice tray into this area. Ice tray. The dry ice has just arrived. Testing.
It looks awesome, Uncle Alec.
Let's turn it on and feel the breeze.
It feels so cool. This is amazing. You're the best. I can play all day. Ah! The wind's too strong. My hair is flying.
Oh no, the papers are flying all over.
Catch them, Uncle Alec.
Everything's flying everywhere. I guess I'll have to turn the fan off before I can clean up. Let me clean up. We'll turn the fan back on.
Don't worry. I can still play with the balls.
Hi Sam, Lisa's been great.
I'm back to pick up Lisa.
Bye, Uncle Alec. Mommy, I had so much fun with Uncle Alex.
Goodbye Lisa, come back and play again soon.